If you've been hearing a lot about dropshipping recently and you're wondering what it's all about, keep on watching. Dropshipping is an online business model that requires the least amount of initial investment to set up, but still guarantees a profit from every sale. Essentially, it opens up opportunities for new entrepreneurs who previously could not afford to have their own e-commerce stores to make websites with tens, hundreds, or even thousands of products that they have not invested in purchasing and warehousing. Because of its low cost to start, dropshipping gives everyone a chance to be an entrepreneur regardless of their financial background. Instead, success is fully dependent upon one's grit and entrepreneurial spirit. Let me explain in detail what I mean by this. Let's talk about how dropshipping works. Your customer orders a product from your online store and pays you. Then you have the supplier ship the product directly to your customer without you even touching it. Simple, easy, efficient. Assuming that you've created your own Shop1 store already, you can already tell how much money you've saved on software development. So we're going to skip this part. Let's look at how a normal e-commerce store works in comparison to dropshipping. The first thing to worry about after establishing your store platform is getting products. Without any products, you have nothing to sell, and that is the whole point of your store, right? Product and supplier management is very involved and it takes time. With a normal e-commerce store, you would need to order the products in bulk and store them until the item sells. If the item sells. If the product doesn't sell, you're stuck with inventory that you would have to sell at a loss. This requires storage capacity, which is expensive. Also, many suppliers charge fees for their service, and then comes the time and cost of shipping the items to the customer. Can you imagine taking 1,000 packages to your local shipping store? This makes the normal e-commerce model difficult for the everyday person. So, what's the solution to this? Here comes dropshipping to the rescue. Dropshipping solves most of these problems. Dropshipping with Shop1 solves all of these problems. Because now the supplier directly ships the products to your customer's door, you're not stuck with any inventory or having to ship the product yourself. This saves on storage, time, and solves the problem of unsold merchandise. And because Shop1 takes care of supplier management and shipping, all you have to do is select what products you want to sell in your store, and presto! You have a fully functional store ready to go, loaded with products from American suppliers that can deliver the products within days. How easy is that? Well, now you can take all of those resources you would have put into the behind the scenes processes and put it into your marketing. I'll cover marketing and advertising in more detail in a future video too. But now do you see what makes dropshipping so exciting and such a wonderful opportunity for everyone? If you've created your online store, then it's time for you to browse around your dashboard on admin.shop1.com and explore all of the American supplied inventory and figure out what it is that you'd like to add and sell on your store.